Hi everyone. Today I would like to talk to you about squash, a high resilience food. Now this is a squash vine that has been around here for about 3 years. It goes dormant in our summer and it comes back in around autumn. And these are the sort of squashes that it produces. It's a pumpkin style squash. I'm not entirely sure of the name of it. It seems to come back prolifically every year around this time. And it's fantastic food. They're large squashes and you can get a few meals out of each of them. They are sprawlers, but they also climb up trellis and trees. So you have to be careful that you plant them somewhere where they can do their sprawling, because it's not ideal to push them back or remove some of their vine roots that they will shoot when they crawl along. So we have to push them back a little bit here because we ended up having them overgrow our strawberry patch there. Now I'll just move over to the next vine here, and that's a tromboncino, which is another type of squash. So if you look at the fruit there, so it's a curly fruit and it's actually a type of zucchini, but it's really, really tasty. And the texture is a little bit harder than zucchini for those of you who don't like the slimy consistency of the zucchini sometimes. Tromboncino is fantastic. We love it. And again, this one is about 3 years old. It's been here and it just goes dormant and sort of dies down a bit over our summer. And then when it cools down, it just comes back with a vengeance. And we haven't had to do much maintenance on them. Every now and again, we sort of put them aside a little bit. But as long as they're alive and they just go dormant, and you see all the flowers here, so there's quite a bit still coming on. So they're fantastic food. They grow so prolifically and they produce such huge fruits, which you can eat in all sorts of shapes and forms. I will post some recipes, but to give you an indication, we used to do a lot of pumpkin porridge for our breakfast in the morning. So I'll give you the recipe for that. And what is really nice is just slicing them fairly thinly and just throwing them in a frying pan and frying them up with a little bit of oil. And they're just lovely and really good food and fantastic resilience foods.